Hello, in this segment, Abraham will be speaking on how you are the creator of your job. Enjoy.
Thank you, Abraham. Since I was last here, a lot of things changed in my life, and I'm really grateful for that. So thank you again. And my question today is because I found the one thing that I can fully express myself with, which is acting. I'm attending a school in Hollywood, and I intend to become a successful actor. And I started with the law of attraction 3 or 4 years ago, and I do the processes and try to get myself in a state of appreciation, come in the vortex. And I had certain successes with it. I improved my life steadily. The one thing that I really want now is the breakthrough.
But let's just talk about this a little bit, because we are so appreciating the clarity and sincerity of your words. And we're just going to show you some things, and you'll feel them as we point them out, that will make a very big difference for you. You said, I'm trying to be a successful actor. And we just want to point out to you that as you stand outside your vortex without those credentials yet, that's the perfect statement to make. I'm going to try to do better than I'm doing and get something more. In other words, that's an accurate statement. But if you're standing in the vortex where the bounce of all of that has happened over and over again, where present tense is you already have accomplished that vibrationally, then your words are different because you feel different. In other words, you still feel outside what you want. And as long as you feel outside what you want, in other words, those actors, there are so many wonderful actors who are not working, while other wonderful actors who are wonderful are working. And the difference really is whether they're owning their success or not. And you can own it before it happens in terms of the contracts coming. You just have to know it, and it takes practice to know it, and it takes catching yourself feeling the emptiness of wanting something that hasn't come, and feeling the fullness of the certainty that it has already happened, and it's just going to be fun to watch in which way it plays out. Feel the difference?
I feel it, and I know what you mean. Not look at the manifestations. Sometimes it's the faith, but
well, we're going to say something to you because you can take it.
Yeah.
Creating in a realm where there appear to be so many other people who get to decide the fate of your success is the hardest creation on the planet. So somehow we have to convince you that they're not the ones choosing your fate, you are. They'll puff all up, and they make it look like they're doing it, but all they are pawns in the law of attraction game. In other words, it feels like they own the studio. It feels like they're choosing the people. It feels like they're the ones with the money. But law of attraction is the bringer together, and that's what you want to focus upon. In other words, you want to focus upon aligning with your desires, not jumping through the hoops to please the others.
Yes.
And when you finally get that straight, when your attitude is, oh, I've been here long enough, and you have. I've been here long enough, even before I got here, I put stuff in my vibrational reality. I put stuff in that vortex. It's been there a long, long time, and I've been sharpening it ever since I've been here. And now it's there, and it's real, and it's present tense, and it's who I am. This is who I am. This is the advertisement that I'm sending out there. This is who I am. So when I go for the audition, this is who I take. I take this person who knows. I have the vibrational credentials. And it doesn't matter. I might not be right for what you're looking for, but it sure is fun being here playing with you. I'm just here exercising. I'm here for this interview or for this whatever you call. I'm here because maybe it's going to be the right fit for you and for me, and maybe it isn't. But at a minimum, I'll put a lot more good stuff over here into my vortex. So I'm going to win no matter what happens here, and I'm glad to play in this game. I love being here representing me to all of you. And when you feel that way, when you really feel that way, we presented ourselves to you in a stronger way, almost in an overcoming what's really going on way. So now let's stand in the vortex and let's speak it how you are really projecting it. I really love this work, and I think I was born to do it, and I feel like I'm a natural to it, and I'm really a good study, and I love it so much that it just feels like it's in my blood, and because of that, I'm really good at it, and I'm available, and I'm a hard worker, and you'll really like the fun of playing with me, and take me now or don't. It doesn't matter, because there are so many things in the offing for me that this might be the best fit for us all, and it might not. I'm just here because it's what I do, and it's what you do, and so it may very well be the step along the way, or it may very well be a really big breakthrough. But I don't really think in terms of breakthroughs, because the breakthrough for me, and this is really what we want to convey to you, the breakthrough doesn't happen when they pluck you from obscurity and make you famous. The breakthrough happens when you stop thinking from outside the vortex and start thinking from inside the vortex. That's the breakthrough. The rest has to follow. It has to follow. It's illogical. You cannot be who you are and know what you know. The universe is going to line it up for you, and they're going to line it up for you in a way that suits you in many more ways than you have even been able to define. In other words, because you've been putting it in there. You want to be with the good guys, and you want to be with the honest guys, and you want to be with the uplifting guys, and you want to make a difference, and you want to be of value, and you want to be really well paid, and you want people to really know who you are, and you want to really have fun, and you want to constantly hone your craft, and you want it to get better and better, and you want to be of value for other people, and you want the world to be a better place. In other words, you've been putting so much stuff over there, and all of it is spinning, and all of it is being gathered, and when you meet it, the universe is going to give it all to you, not just a little piece of it, you see. Good time for a segment of lunch.
Thank you.
In conclusion, you are the one in power. They are the pawns in the law of attraction. But this is your creation. You're the powerful one. You have the keys. So speak as if you have it now, because you do have it now. Say things as, I am already a successful actor. I do have the jobs of my dreams. I do make lots of money. I do, etc. You create your own reality. When you ask, it is given. Your wish is your command.